Let's start by making changes in the master branch. So let me show you. See, I am in the master branch now. So I'll change my index.html file in our this Git repository. So for this, I'll just change the background color to blue. So I did it. Now let's commit the changes. Now as soon as I push it to GitHub, it will trigger the webhook in our GitHub repo. And in our Jenkins, our job will run. See, at 11:19 and 40 seconds, a new webhook is run. And job 1 last success, which is tracking the master, is 28 seconds ago. Let's check our Docker container, and it has the background at blue. And now let's make some changes in branch dev1. Switch to branch dev1, and let me show you. First we will rebase master, and now we will make changes in the dev1 branch. I'll show you all the background things too. See, now background is blue in our master branch, but we are making changes in the dev1 branch. So let's just commit. Changed bg to read by dev1. Let's push it. So a new webhook will be sent. See, 11:22 26 seconds in the time here. So let's just check our updations in repository. Change bg to blue by master, and if we check dev1, change bg to red by dev1. So let's refresh this one, and it is still blue, and our job 2 will run. Let's do it. See, last success is 30 seconds ago. So, and it's still blue. our dev1 container is running at port 8082. See, this is the background with red. Now I have seen that my container with the testing is working. So now let's merge it. I'll just copy the link and trigger my job. See, now this will trigger our job 3. The job is triggered, and we'll go to Jenkins. Our job is in progress. So it's merged. Master change to master, then we merged, and then we post the master branch. Now I'll refresh. See, it has been merged. That was all from my side. Thank you, sir.